Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Myself Piyush Kumar Verma, and today in this video I am going to discuss about International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, means IUCN. So why is this topic is more important and why am I talking about this? Because in UGC NET Environmental Science syllabus this topic is very much important in terms of biodiversity conservation. So now we shall talk about what is the history of IUCN. So IUCN is an international organization NGO working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources, and it was established in 1948. It is involved in data gathering and analysis, research, field projects, advocacy, lobbying and education. The organization is best known for compiling and publishing the IUCN Red List, which assesses the conservation status of species worldwide, and its headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland. So now we shall talk about the IUCN Red Lists or Red Data List or Red Book. So various names are there, but it was IUCN Red List of threatened species founded in 1964 is the world's most comprehensive inventory of the global conservation status of biological species. When discussing the IUCN Red List, the official term threatened is a grouping of three categories: critically endangered, endangered, and vulnerable. So these bullets are showing them. Now species are classified by IUCN Red List into 9 groups. So first of all species is initially classified in evaluated and not evaluated. And in evaluated category, adequate data for which species was present, so that was another category, and data deficient for which species that have no data. And in adequate data, there was category least concerned, near threatened, vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered, extinct in wild, and extinct. So if we are talking about the risk of extinction, so it increases from not evaluated to extinct. Okay. So now we shall talk about in detail. So extinct means no known individual remaining, and the second category, which is extinct in wild, which is known only to survive in captivity or as a naturalized population outside its historic range. The third category, that is the critically endangered, it means extremely high risk of extinction in wild, and its reduction in population which will be greater than 90% over the last 10 years, and population size should be number less than 50 mature individuals. Quantitative analysis showing the probability of extinction in wild in at least 50% in their 10 years, and it is therefore considered to be the facing an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild. And the next category, that is the endangered, it is high risk of extinction in the wild. And next category, that is the fifth one, is vulnerable, high risk of endangerment in the wild. And sixth category, that is near threatened, it means likely to become endangered in the future. And seventh one is least concern, means lowest risk, does not qualify for a more at-risk category. Widespread and abundant taxa are included in this category. And the eighth group is data deficient, means not enough data to assess its risk of extinction. And the finally ninth category is not evaluated, means has not yet been evaluated against the criteria for any species. So a question is, the Red Data books published by IUCN contains list of So statement number 1, endemic plants and animal species present in the biodiversity hotspot. Second statement, threatened plant and animal species. Third statement, protected sites for conservation of nature and natural resources in various countries. So which of the statement given above is correct or are correct? So option A, B, C, D are there on your screen. So you guys answer. So the correct statement, statement number, yes, statement number 2 is correct. Now IUCN is an NGO. It published, we know that it publishes Red Data Book which contains a list of threatened species, and threatened species is a term which involves vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered, okay, species. Now another organization, that is the BirdLife International. So BirdLife International is the world's largest nature conservation partnership. Together they are 120 bird life partners worldwide. BirdLife International strives to conserve birds, their habitats, and global biodiversity, working with people towards sustainability in the use of natural resources. BirdLife International is the official red list authority for birds for the International Union for Conservation of Nature. It identifies the sites known or referred to as important bird and biodiversity areas. So, another question which can be asked from here, with reference to an organization known as BirdLife International, which of the following statement is or correct? So, statement number 1, it is a global partnership of conservation organization. 2, the concept of biodiversity hotspots originated from this organization. Third, it identifies the sites known referred to as important bird and biodiversity area. So select the correct answer using the code given below. So option number A, 1 only, option number B, 2 and 3 only, option number C, 1 and 2, 1 and 3 only, and option number D, 1, 2, 3 all. So answer is answer number C, that is the 1 and